Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 59 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Quick review first. 彩虹 rainbow. 星星 star. 雨伞 umbrella. 价格 price. 便宜 cheap. 昂贵 expensive.Follow me to learn 参加草稿插队 in Chinese characters. First one for today 参加参加 means join. Everybody likes to join in this activity. 每个人都愿意参加这一活动。参加加join 草稿草稿 means draft. 草稿草稿 draft 草字头日时稿盒子口草稿 draft 插队插队 means jump a queue. Q 插队提手旁人插队jump a queue. If you jump a queue, the people will not be pleased. 如果你不按次序排队，人们会不高兴的。插队参加 join 草稿 draft 插队，插队，插队。Jump a queen. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what you want to add in your own DIY Chinese dictionary in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.